What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and how it continues to rally. There are so many exciting things on the way. Shytoshi has been very vocal on the Discord. He's the main developer of the SHIBASWAP platform and also one of the main visionaries for our favorite crypto asset, which of course is Shiba Inu. Now, guys, remember, like it says down there below, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I make my videos for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And today, Shytoshi even touched on the 1 cent goal for Shiba Inu. Yes, I know, 3 zeros need to be taken down, which means we need to go 1000x in terms of price action from our current value. But I truly do think it's possible. And I'm starting to see that Shytoshi himself, at the very beginning, there were some skeptics, but more and more individuals within the development team think it's possible, of course, with token burn. So let's go ahead and cover some of the things that he mentioned. But before I do so, guys, I want to mention a couple things. In the description below, go ahead and get your 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account. And also, cop yourself some YourPOP merch. Just dropped not too long ago. And again, if you guys would like to, go ahead and rock it. Send me a picture on Twitter. I want to see it all over the internet. I think it'd be just fantastic growing our community on the YouTube space and of course elsewhere, showing people that pop, again, is the pursuit of purpose. And with Shiba Inu, hopefully we'll all be able to pursue what it is that we're trying to get after money is no longer an issue for each and every one of us. Hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel if you've made some money on Shiba Inu, and let's keep it going. Now, shout out to First World. He said #ShibArmy. Shytoshi talked for a while today and said the following: don't take this as financial advice, excuse me, but maybe this is your call to add more. The 1 cent dilemma, or the 1 cent goal that we've all been looking for. Shytoshi says, now, I don't know. With enough burn and time and adoption, I just don't know. So I say hail Shiba and keep working. Market cap, blah, blah, blah. I used to think that it's impossible in terms of the 1 cent price, but today was the first time we actually started being like, okay, but what if Shib was a penny? They asked me back in January, and he says here he has, a cryptocurrency mentor, but the big thing is, with Shytoshi, this is the biggest bombshell that he's ever dropped, I think, to date. Burn by transaction is a hot topic. Ryoshi, as he left the team after he created this decentralized infrastructure, decentralized ecosystem, and handed it off to the other developers, the lead being Call, Shytoshi being one of the big dogs on there too. And he says here, to that I say no comment in terms of burn by transaction, but I say it with a big smile. Guys, this is literally what we have been after since day one. Look back and see what the community has been asking for. We have been asking for continued burns because we know with a 340 trillion token supply and current circulating supply, there's too many tokens out there for us to potentially see that 1 penny price target that a lot of us have. But the fact that one of the main developers is now saying, hey, I think it's possible, that is absolutely huge. Look at the price action. We're up 70% on the day. After yesterday's rally, we consolidated the entire day, holding new levels of support, testing higher lows and higher highs. Everything looks extremely bullish when it comes to the Shiba Inu chart, breaking all-time highs over the last 3 months. Not all-time highs overall, but again, yesterday we tested that 1428, 1,482 Satoshi units today. 1538, even I saw that 1600 mark. So again, guys, when they panic, we pounce. We've been pouncing, loading up our bags because I anticipated this to happen. The month of October was looking like an extremely bullish month for the overall cryptocurrency market, and Shiba Inu is right there, showing everybody along the way why this is the best cryptocurrency in the cryptocurrency market. Also, look what's happening across the entire market. Bitcoin breaking over $50,000. Ethereum over $3,400, approaching 35. Binance Coin 440. Cardano 222. But if you look through all the different crypto assets, what's the one that is outperforming every single other? It is, of course, Shiba Inu. And honestly, if you look at the market cap, it's now about to surpass HBAR. One of the projects that I'm most bullish on, of course, is HBAR. But look at SHIB, up 123%. in the last 7 days. For all the naysayers out there that have been saying Shiba Inu will never prevail, Shiba Inu will never have success, look what's happening now. We're trending. We're trending on the internet. We're trending worldwide. We're getting things trending on Twitter, different hashtags. Shitoshi is vocal. The developers are showing us why we might actually be able to see that 1 cent. Last night, 9 hours ago, I posted this video saying, let's break the internet. Let's show Robinhood app why they need to list SHIB. Retweet this and let's get it trending. With over 449 likes, 247 retweets, we're starting to see Shiba Inu literally everywhere. And that's exactly what we've been waiting for. We have the community, guys. We have the community to make things happen. And that's the thing we all need to understand. With community, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Because if you go back in time, excuse me, I'm a little stuffy because it's the morning. That's how I always am. But if you go back in time and see how people were in terms of investing back in the day, technical analysis, fundamental value, all these different indicators that people would look at for success in the market. In 2021, we saw with what happened with AMC and GME, I mentioned this a lot, and that fiasco and how it tremendously has changed what the market looks like. We see communities like Wall Street Bets. We see communities like Satoshi Street Bets that are, again, looking at community-driven projects or even a community-driven project that might be in a dying industry. AMC theaters. It's a dying industry, unfortunately. And GME, right? GameStop. A lot of people are just switching to online gaming now. They don't really, not as much traction as they used to have at least. But what we've done, because of the sentimental values that we like, and again, as the retail investors showing these big hedge funds or big institutions that, hey, we've been the little dog for a really long time, but we're here to change the narrative. We're here to change the story that has been written. And it's happening one investment at a time. AMC and GME had their success. Dogecoin also had its success. Now it's Shiba Inu's turn. It's Shiba Inu's turn to show people why the retail investor is still capable of so much. And again, always remembering your why. Why do you hold? Why are you someone that is invested in this crypto asset? For me, it's because I know the potential. I know what's on the roadmap. I know that it's much beyond the Doge killer or a meme type token. But again, I just wanted to make sure I always put you guys on the plays. Way when we were back at 590 Satoshis, when we triple bottomed. Since then, we're up nearly 200%. So I salute and congratulate each and every one of you that have pounced. And if you took profits, that's okay. I'm holding. I took a little bit of profits, but I'm holding. I'm holding for the end of the year. And if it dips down, I'll be buying even more. Thank you all so much for tuning in. To all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. We're now approaching, I think, 74,000 subscribers, which is just insane. By the end of the year, there's that 100K goal. So let's get it there, and I know we can make it happen. So smash that like button. Let's break the algorithm and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.